You can move content blocks around your page sections to customize a layout or to create columns and rows. This video illustrates the process on Fluid Engine in Squarespace 7.1. For previous Squarespace versions, visit the link in the description below. First, open the page editor. Your cursor will change to a hand icon when you hover over a block. Click and drag to reposition the block on the page's section. You can use the grid as a guideline. To center a block, drag it towards the middle of the page and release your mouse when the centering line appears. To make a block full bleed, click and hold and release it just outside the content grid. Then, click and drag on the handles around the block to make it full bleed in the section. To make an overlap effect, drag blocks over another. Then, open the Layers menu. Click and drag the blocks in the list to arrange them above or below other blocks. You can also use the Move Forward and Move Backward buttons in the block toolbar. You can also move multiple blocks around the page section. Click and drag to select the blocks, then move them by clicking and dragging. When you're done, save your changes. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.